Hey guys, today is the day 4 of the Scott McKinnon challenge. I'm in my office studio space and I'm trying to shoot a video, and I'm just gonna be showing you guys some clips. I've been testing out the HLG and how it performs. I'm getting this right out of camera, handheld. I'll put the settings I used on the bottom right or the bottom left. Just look for the settings somewhere. And I've not even been grading them. I've just been popping them out and exporting them and sending them to family members. These are great. They're coming out really nice. I really like HLG. The only downside is I have to carry my ND filter anywhere because the lowest ISO the lowest ISO you can shoot on it is 1000, so it tends to let in a lot of light, so you have to cut down the light a little bit. So but ND filter can fix that. So but anyways, if you guys want to know how I shoot with this and ND filter, let me know. Anyway, I just have some clips of my daughter in Christmas and the family. Check it out. Let me know what you guys think. Peace out. Love you guys. One love.
Feeling alone, kinda misty, waiting now for you to come. It's cold again, but I know we'll be warm, sitting by the fire and dream. Tell me again with a whisper, little things that I wanna hear, and the stars up above are smiling when they see you holding me so near. I see snowflakes on the chimneys, and the candles have a certain glow, a secret and a song, even church bells sing along, and the children making angels in the snow. Oh, what a gift to be given. How lucky can this old heart be? And I fall into peace and silence on a very special Christmas Eve. Tell me again with a whisper, little things that I wanna hear, and the stars up above